So a certain convenience store, we have brand A and brand B hot dogs. Brand A gets less popular and brand B gets more popular. Basically, these decreases and increases are both 0.05. So brand A goes down 0.05 times whatever the base rate is. Brand B went up 0.05 times whatever B is. And so the revenue from brand A in May was what percentage of the revenue in brand B? So we can figure that out if we can figure out what A and B are respectively. Okay. Statement 1 tells us that the increase in revenue from brand B was 19/20ths of the decrease in revenue of brand A. So this is essentially telling us that the revenue of brand B, which is B, or capital B, equals 19/20ths of the decrease in revenue, which is 0.05A. From there, we can figure out so what we're ultimately trying to get is the ratio of A to B. That's what the question is ultimately asking. What's the percentage of the revenue? A's revenue is what percentage of B? That's simply A over B. And so here we have some math, I grant you, 19/20ths of 0.05A, but if we divide both sides by B and then divide both sides by whatever this is, 19/20ths of 0.05, we will have A over B, and whatever that number is the answer. So statement 1 is sufficient. So we get rid of 2 on its own and the 2 insufficient ones. Statement 2 tells us something similar. The revenue in April from brand A, this gives us A equals 20/19. This is basically the reciprocal. 20/19 of the revenue in April from brand B. Oh, it's not actually the reciprocal because it's not the change. Anyway, here again we have A and B. We divide both sides by B. A over B is going to equal 20/19, which is one of the answers we were looking for. So each statement alone is sufficient to answer the question.